Welcome to Developer Day number 11. This is Justin and John.
Yep.
Here today we're going to talk about our Chrome extension and talk about OAuth.io.
Yeah. So, our Chrome extension. You'll notice up here in the right-hand corner we have our nice little icon. And what we've done is, when I say we, Justin has done, is written a Chrome plugin that activates on various pages, such as Family Search, when we're looking at a person, and will enable us to do searches without having to enter any information. So we're looking at John Cooper Turner here, and if I click on this birth button, what it will do is it will grab this birth information here and make some place API calls, to try to find out where this is. It'll take a look at the date and try to find out about when it is, and it'll do a query to answer the question of what record should I look in for this birth. So if we click here, forwards on, and it loads up a list of instructions. Now these list of instructions, you can just go ahead and follow them, search these collections. Available here, 595451 is the phone number. We link to the catalog entry. And you can just scroll down 59541, it gives you all the information about acquiring it. Let's see, clues.
We didn't link to the film directly because it takes you to a pretty worthless page on Family Search. Yeah. That's why we didn't do that.
Yeah. So for right now we have birth, marriage, death, and then just find me anything about this person. This will do quite a large range query in terms of years, also a little bit in terms of place. We do allow a custom search, so it's just kind of a quick link to the page you've seen before here, where if we did a place, if I spell that right, there we go. So United on Tame from 1600 to 1700, and I do a search, I can get a list of instructions. I should have
decreased the radius.
Decrease the radius.
That would be nice if I would scroll there.
Yes, I get it. There we go. I get a list of instructions that are specific to Night on Thames, christenings, bishop transcripts, etc., etc. And we plan on making this plugin automatically scrape several sites. I think Justin knows the full list. Now, Family Search and Ancestry on there. What else?
We Relate, Genie, Wikitree, any website that has a profile about somebody, genealogy data, we can make our extension work.
Yeah. So the extension will be freely available in the store very soon, and you just have to have an account with Find a Record to use it.
Yeah, so we're pretty excited about that. We think that's one of the ideal ways to use Find a Record, so that you don't have to be the one typing in all the information and generating your queries. We also want to talk today about a nice service called OAuth.io. If you've ever done anything with OAuth, you know that it's painful, especially if you need to connect to more than one OAuth provider, or if you want to do a handful of them. They're all a little bit different. OAuth.io abstracts all those differences into one clean API. They handle all the interaction and just give you a JavaScript file that is easy and beautiful to play with. So for example, we can show you on our website how we have implemented OAuth with Family Search. Right now it's sandbox, because we're waiting to get access to production. But you just sign in and wait a few seconds for its whole process, and boom, you're in. So that was just a few lines of JavaScript to get that to work. In fact, I can show you really quickly. Just something as small as this, to do. That's OAuth with Facebook, just a few lines of JavaScript. So it's a lot better than implementing OAuth yourself, especially when you have multiple providers. So OAuth.io, we highly recommend it. It's free right now, may not be in the future, but it's worth taking a look at. Yeah,
well worth it. Yeah. Well, that about does it for today, for Developer Day number 11. It's John and Justin. We'll see you next week.